Here's the deal. In 3 minutes, I'll give you a simple mental model to support solid network security design, so you avoid Swiss cheese networks and ship something resilient. Imagine a single stolen password turning into a company-wide outage, not because hackers were genius, because the network was flat, noisy, and blind. Networks grow like weeds, hybrid cloud, remote users, SaaS, vendors, IoT, every new connection adds attack surface. Misconfigurations creep in, logs get ignored. Once an attacker lands, lateral movement feels like an open hallway. You don't need every tool, you need a framework. Use this layered checklist when you design or review any network. I call it Map Secure. M. Map assets and trust boundaries. Critical data. Apps. Who needs what? Draw data flows. User to app. App to DB. On-prem to cloud. A. Assess threats. Stride light. Spoofing. Tampering. Information disclosure. Denial of service. Elevation. Prioritize by business impact, not headlines. P. Partition the network. VLANs and subnets, private subnets and cloud, default deny ACLs between them, treat east-west traffic like internet traffic. S. Strong identity, centralize IAM, enforce MFA, least privilege and role-based access, prefer SSO and short-lived just-in-time access, rotate keys and service account secrets. E. Encrypt everywhere, TLS for data in transit, WPA3 for Wi-Fi, Modern VPN or ZTNA for remote users, encryption at rest for sensitive stores, C. Control points, NGFW at edges, WAF for apps, DNS filtering, EDR, XDR on endpoints, email security for phishing, conditional access for context, U. Understand activity, centralize logs, syslog and SIAM, collect NetFlow and PSAP on choke points, baseline normal traffic, R. Resilience by design, redundant links and power, HA pairs, VRRP, HSRP, load balancers, 3-2-1 backups with immutability, assume components fail and plan graceful degradation. E. Execute safely, change management with staging, small blast radius and rollback plans. Use infrastructure as code and policy as code. Quick wins you can do this week. Block inter VLAN traffic by default, allow only what's required. Enforce MFA for admins and remote access. Turn on DNS filtering and email anti-phish now. Centralize critical logs and set alerts for failed logins and unusual east-west spikes. Validation. Run weekly vulnerability scans, quarterly pen tests, tabletop incident drills. Track metrics that matter. Patch latency. MFA coverage. EDR coverage. Mean time to detect and respond. Number of blocked lateral movements. Remember, zero trust isn't a product. It's a posture. Verify explicitly, limit blast radius, log relentlessly, and automate the boring parts. If you build with MapSecure, you'll cut risk, boost uptime, and sleep better. Next, I'll walk through a sample network and apply each layer in real time.